Community-led housing insurance is a specialist insurance scheme designed to meet the needs of the UK's community-led housing sector. From housing cooperatives to tenant management organisations, community land trusts and more will help you to arrange appropriate insurance protection for your staff, volunteers, property assets and responsibilities. In fact, we are proud to be the recommended insurance provider for the following national associations: the Confederation of Cooperative Housing, the National Federation of Tenant Management Organisations and the National Community Land Trust Network. And as part of the One Broker Group, we maintain strong insurer relationships to ensure that you get just the right policy. At One Broker, we want to make your life easier. We know that running a community-led housing organisation means that there's a lot of demand on your time, and insurance is just one of the many responsibilities on your plate. That's why we'll work with you to make the process as painless as possible. From your first contact with us, you will work with a dedicated account manager and they will become your insurance partner. We'll get to know you and your organisation and the current risk it faces, and if you already have insurance in place, we'll take a look at what you have and whether there's any gaps in cover, which could leave you exposed to a financial loss if the worst happens. We'll then search the market for the right policies and create a package protection designed just for you, answering any questions you have along the way to ensure that you're completely comfortable with your insurance. If you need to make any changes during the life of the policy, we can help you to make the adjustments before conducting a thorough annual review of your policy to ensure it's still suitable and provides the right protection. And if you need to make a claim, our in-house claims team is on hand to help. They'll help you sort out all of the documentation you need before working with your insurer to arrange a suitable outcome. Needless to say, we'll be with you every step of your insurance journey. One of the biggest challenges we see in the community-led housing sector is the lack of specific cover. And when I say this, I mean that different types of housing organisations have very different needs. For instance, a cooperative will face different risks to a tenant management organisation, but many insurance providers continue to treat them as the same, which means that they may suffer from insufficient or even non-existent cover in the event of a claim. Unfortunately, many organisations do not realise this, and several of our current clients came to us for a review because they were just unsure of their policies. In several cases, they were surprised to discover that key activities and assets were not protected. With so many things to consider, arranging insurance can be a time-consuming process. Searching the market for the protection you need takes time. Plus, you're likely to have concerns that you're not covered for the things that you thought you were. We're determined to help you overcome these insurance challenges with open and honest dialogue, partnered with high-quality cover from leading insurers. There's no single figure for community-led housing insurance. As with most insurance, the price will depend on the policies and the level of cover that you choose. For instance, if your organisation doesn't own its properties, then it's unlikely to need buildings insurance, which will mean the premium is different from an organisation with a portfolio of 100 dwellings. That's why it's important to work with a broker who will get to know your organisation and arrange cover at the right levels for you so you never pay for more insurance than you need. At One Broker, we take pride in our customer service. We work hard to build a relationship with you from our initial conversations through to renewal and claims. We want you to feel confident in your cover so you have the peace of mind that if something was to go wrong, you'd have the insurance cover and support you need in place. And as an independent broker, we're not tied to any particular insurer, so we can search the market to find the right policies at the right price. You can trust that we will work hard to find the best value for cover for your organisation's needs every time.